What's up guys, welcome to East West Beats, and today I'm going to show you a super cool tutorial. Let's say you have a loop, let's say you have a vocal chop, let's say you have an arpeggio that's ready and you can't just think about how to flip that and make it your own. You have a melodic phrase that you wanna mess around with and you want to do a bit of variation to it, but you're not able to get to it. Well, I'm going to show you just that using Logic Pro X. So we're going to jump right into it. It's going to be a dancehall type of a beat that I put together, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. All right. So I have put together this super simple beat. Let's listen to it. All right, and on top of that, I have a vocal chop. All right, so let's say you don't like the way it flows, even though it's really good. What you're gonna do is you're gonna right click on it, you're gonna convert it to a sampler track. You're going to do a transient marker because we want to chop it up to a range, and just hit OK. All right, so let's mute this. It didn't get the last part of the vocal chop, which is fine, but let's listen to this first. All right, so something on the low end that I don't like. Just going to cut that out really quickly, and let's listen to it. All right, so what you're going to do is now, let's say you like this, but you kind of want to see if there is a variation to it. I like quantizing this when I do funky stuff like this. So it's on beat. There's something that's off beat, so let's change it to 132, and we're going to quantize it. Let's listen to it. All right, so we are going to quantize it. Alright, so what you're going to do first is, if you do not have it enabled, you're going to go to your track head configuration and you are going to enable the track alternatives, which is right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate this, then you're going to go to the MIDI region and you're going to select it. Now it looks like we are right here at C-1 and we go all the way down to, or all the way up to G3. All right, so C-1 to G3. All right, so we're going to select all of these. We're going to go to Function, MIDI Transform, and Randomize. So let's go to Randomize, which is Randomize Pitch. And you're going to go to C-1 to G3. All right, and all you will do is select and operate. And now you have a random MIDI region. So let's listen to how this sounds. All right, so I actually like the way that sounds, but I want to see what else I can do. So we're just going to duplicate it one more time and hit select and operate one more time. All right, I like that too. So we're going to duplicate it one more time. What's cool about this is your rhythming is staying the same. So let's duplicate it and we are going to change the length of some of these. So let's see how we can get this randomized and sounds. Cool, so you guys saw how you can just take a audio, you can actually play something, convert it to audio and do the same thing, bring it into EXS24 and randomize the region where those particular audio clips are located in EXS24, and you can do some really quick random variations of the audio clip that you have. You can also try this with a drum loop that you may have, or a percussion loop or a top loop, and it may come up with some really funky patterns. Leave a comment below if you guys like this. If you didn't like it, leave a comment as well. Leave a comment about what you guys want to see. Make sure you hit the like button, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe. If you need to learn more about the EXS24 instrument, I also have a video on my channel, so make sure you go and check that out too. And I'll see you guys at the next one.